Y'all, no one ever told me this when I started, and it's so simple and it makes so much sense. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my secret that I figured out, how to increase my sales, how to start getting sales. Once you know this concept, you can pivot your business. You can figure out why you don't have sales. You can start making sales if you're new to eBay. It is going to change your reselling game. And it starts with impressions. What does that mean? An impression on eBay, and this goes for any reselling site, but I'm going to show you it as eBay because they have some really good information to be able to visually see this. But it starts with impressions. It starts with people seeing your items. Nobody can purchase your item if they cannot see it. So I'm going to show you this graphic that I have that you can purchase this down below just to support my channel or to keep it with you all the time as well. Save this video so that you can come back and look at it. It starts with impressions. Selling, reselling is a funnel. You have this at the very top. People have to be able to see your item. If you're liking this video, do make sure to like, comment, share, and save. It helps push it out to the algorithm so other people see it as well. And consider joining my memberships to support more content like this. Now let's get back to it. An impression on eBay is someone has come in contact with your item. Now, there are two different ways on eBay to come in contact with an item. You can come in contact organically, and you can come in contact with an item through promoted. These are two different ways that people can see your item. Organic means they find you in search, they're clicking item specifics, they're clicking best offers, let me show you visually, they are clicking all of these different ways. This is organic. Someone searches women's jeans and they say, I want accept offers. If you don't have accept offers on, you're not coming in anymore. It doesn't mean that you have to do it, but the more of these buttons, the more, you scroll all the way down here and there's free shipping and there's sales, running deals, there's free returns. All of these different items, item specifics, all of these different things are creating you organic traffic. Organic traffic is free. Work on increasing your organic traffic. You're not making sales. No one's buying your items. It's the market. All of these different things. If you can increase your traffic and you have good inventory and you have good listings and you have good metrics, you're top rated, you're doing all the things right and you're not making sales or you're just starting out, people need to see your items. Work on increasing that traffic. And I'll show you just at a quick glance. I do have lots of videos that go into how to look at all of these charts. So definitely check those out. But if you go into my seller hub, you're on performance and then I'm on traffic. You can scroll down here. So overall, you want to work on bumping up this impression. You want more people to see your item. That's going to trickle down to your page views, right? People can't get to your page if they don't see your items. So they have to see your items, if you're like on social media and then they come to your page that way, but that's a visibility. They have to get those first impressions, your item in front of a buyer first. And then you can scroll down here, work on increasing your impressions. Like I said, organic impressions is free. Organic impressions are free. Start with increasing those. Start with increasing those by doing things like increasing your SEO or working on your SEO, working on your search filters, working on your item specifics. Run a listing quality report. I'm going to link a video up here of how to do it and how to read it. It has so much good information that is going to increase your organic traffic because it is comparing all of these things, your SEO, how many pictures you have, how many item specifics you have, if you have free shipping. It's comparing all of those things that are giving you organic traffic. It is comparing those things to the top 10% of sellers. Now, do you have to do everything that it is telling you to do? Do you have to do everything that the top 10% of sellers is doing? Maybe not. Maybe it does not work with your business model, but eBay is giving you the information to say, hey, these are the top 10% of sellers. These are the sellers who are selling items, and this is what they are doing. Work on increasing your organic. Once you've increased your organic and you've gotten this number, let's go ahead and look at it. You've gotten, nope, that's not it. That's not it either. That's Terapeak data, which you should also be looking at as well. I'll link a video up here. Such good information in Terapeak. But organic impressions, once you have gotten this organic impression as high as you can get it, run some scenarios. do free shipping for a little bit and see if that increases your organic impressions. And you're still making money, right? Because you have to still make money at the end of the day. But go through and really spend some time on your item specifics and spend some time on taking some really good photos and making your listing better, and see if that doesn't increase your organic impressions. Once you've gotten that number as high as you can possibly get it, then you want to move to promoted impressions. Now, is promoted listings right for everybody? Probably not. It's going to depend on what category you sell in. It's going to, lots of things that it's going to depend on. I am going to link a video up here that walks you through how to set up some promoted listings and then do some A/B testing, because it's going to be different for everybody. It's going to depend on your business model. It's going to depend on what category you sell in. Lots of different things that go into it. But if you're wanting to get more sales, promoted traffic is going to get you there. It puts so promoted listings, if you guys don't know, let me back that up. Promoted listings, if you don't know, is you're basically paying eBay a percent of your sale. If it sells for promoted listing standards, you're basically paying them a percentage of your sale for them to put it on over 100 different places on their website. So this is where you're getting more visibility, because it's not just being shown when someone's searching for it. It's now showing when someone's looking at an item that's similar to yours, and then you scroll down at the bottom and you see, hey, other similar items to what you're looking at. That's what you're paying for. You're paying for eBay to put it in different places and more visibility, more traffic. The more your item can be seen, the more chances you have of getting it purchased. This promoted listing, this promoted impressions. So if you're a new seller and you're trying to figure out how to get sales, if you are a current seller and you're like, hey, I am not making the sales that I want to make, the number one thing I would say to work on is increasing that impression metrics. Let me know how it goes down below.